In this video, I'm giving you how to use the Hooponopono technique to remove and release all your negativities and negative beliefs about money and become a money magnet. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm happy and excited to share this video with you, especially about money, wealth and abundance, and how can you release and remove all the negativities relevant to money so that you could become a money magnet. And whatever you are doing, whether you are doing your job or business or whatever work you are doing, you will open the gates of money and abundance and prosperity into your life. I'm sure so many of you are waiting for this video, and if you wanted a video like this, if you are looking for a video like this, do let me know in the comment section. Now, first of all, I'm so grateful to all of you for being a part of different programs and raising your vibration and manifesting your goals, dreams and desires. Now, in this video, I'm talking about money, but before I give you the technique, I want you to understand few things, because if you don't understand these things and just dive into the technique, then it's not going to work for you. In almost all my videos, before giving you the technique, I always explain what are the critical things, what are the things you need to understand deeply so that the technique will work for you. But sometimes I see people, they say, oh AJ, don't talk about all these things, just give us the technique. And after a few days, those people only find that it's not working for you. Whereas people who understand everything, who goes through the whole video, who understand the dynamics behind it, who understand the subconscious beliefs behind it, and then apply the technique, always every technique working for them. So my friend, if you really want to manifest, if you really want to change your state, you need to understand the process, the dynamics, the subconscious belief system before applying the techniques, so that when you apply, you do it in the best way. Now, when it's come to money and riches, most people are not rich or not wealthy or not prosperous, not because they are not hardworking. It's because they have lot of negative beliefs about money. There are so many videos and there are so many people, they keep talking about that hard work is the only secret to success, and hard work is the only secret to riches, and it's the only way you can become rich. I'm not against hard work, I'm not against work. I have been keep telling that it should be inspired action, it should be work. You should take inspiration and action together so that you can manifest, especially when it's about manifesting money or creating wealth or growing your business or growing in your work and career. You need to put lot of work, but it should be inspired action. But in spite of putting the work, if your belief about money, wealth and prosperity is not positive, then you will be keep working and you are not going to make a lot of money, or you will never become money magnet. Remember, the highly rich and successful people are also working a lot, and there are people who are at the bottom of the financial ladder, and people who are working as daily laborers and workers are also working a lot. But why some people are making a lot of money, why some people are, in spite of putting a lot of work, not able to make money? And if you think hard work is the only secret to success or riches, then I would ask you to visit a construction site or go to a mines, and you will see how much people are working. They are putting their blood and sweat in the work, but they don't make enough money to even take care of their families and their daily requirement. When I started my career, I started as a construction engineer, and I know that I used to work for hours and hours at the construction site, and I used to see laborers and workers working and putting their heart and soul, and neither I was making more money. And I used to look at those people and I used to wonder, these people are also working so hard, but they are not even making enough money to take care of their families, and they are struggling again and again. And I used to start asking myself, that why is it only the hard work, is it only the work makes you rich and successful, or there are something we people are missing? And that's where I started researching, that's where I started reading the life and researching the life of rich and successful people. And I found out that you need to do the work, but you need to have your belief system aligned. You need to have your belief system about money, wealth, success, prosperity, abundance aligned and positive. If these two things are aligned, then only that work will give you all the money. So sometimes when I share videos about money affirmation, some people they comes and they say, oh, by saying this affirmation only money will come. If this is the way, then everyone become the billionaire in the world. No, my friend, doing that affirmation or doing that money meditation or doing that visualization is the first reprogramming the belief system, so that when your belief system will get reprogrammed, then whatever actions you are taking, it will start giving you bigger return. That's where riches started coming into your life, or new things started opening up. You start finding the right opportunity, right businesses, right work environment, and things started working for you. So the first key to riches is healing your relationship with money. Because as per the many religious beliefs, social beliefs, the maximum negativity that revolves around anything is money, and then about relationship. But most negativities are revolving around money. There is a saying that money can't grow on trees, and you must be listening to it. Money can't grow on trees. Yes, money can't grow on trees, but nobody teach you where the money comes from. So we need to understand that why some people are working so much. Like all the people who are watching this video, I believe most of you are working in a job or in a business, and most of you are putting your heart and soul, giving all the effort. But are you really making the amount of money you're supposed to make? Are you really living the life you're supposed to live? For 99.9% people, the answer is no. You are putting so much, but you are not getting, not even what you feel deserve. Forget about being extremely rich or extremely abundant. You believe that you deserve something more than what you are doing, what you are getting, but you are not getting it. Why? One of the reason, because your belief system is not aligned. You are doing work, you are doing your job, you are running your business, you are trying to build up something, but money is not coming because that is negative beliefs. And that is why the Hooponopono technique, the Ancient Hawayein Technique, which is about releasing negativities and blocks in any area, that is a very powerful and simple technique which will help you release negativities. And if you are not aware about the Hawaiian technique, Hooponopono, I have a detailed video on that. The link is in the description section. You can check that video after watching this video. That will help you. But in short, in this Hooponopono technique, what we actually do is we repeat 4 prayers or 4 statements again and again and again, which remove all the negativities and create a positive energy. And these 4 statements are: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Yes, when you say I'm sorry, it means you are saying sorry for all the negativities or negative beliefs that you have been carrying, or all the negative energy that you have generated so far. When you are saying please forgive me, means you are seeking the forgiveness for all those negativities. Now you are saying thank you because you believe that you have been forgiven, and now you are given the chance to create abundance or success or positive energy in the present and future. And then you say I love you, means now you are taking that positive energy to a next level where you will actually able to manifest what you desire. So in this video, I'm giving you this technique particular to money. So what you can do, how can you heal your relationship with money so that you become a money magnet, so that you start finding more opportunities, so that you start finding more things to achieve, and more money will flow into your life. You started making more money putting the same effort, or you will start getting more efficiency out of your work, out of your business, and things started moving forward. So this is the way to heal your relationship, because if you are not making money, it means you have been getting a lot of negativities. So what you are going to do, you take a currency note of whichever denomination you like. I am having a 500 rupees note, and I talked about this currency note before, because once I focus on manifesting something of synchronicity, and I found this, I got this note with like 111 digit. So this is something I always keep with me. So if you consider a lucky note or something like that, you can always keep it with you, and you can do this process with that. Or you can take any currency note and you start doing this process on a daily basis. What you have to do, you just hold this currency note in your hand, and while holding it, you say the prayer while looking at the currency note, that I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And when you say it, for some of you may sound funny, for some of you this practice may be weird, but when you really focus on, when you say I am sorry, you feel that you are releasing all the negative beliefs that you have been carrying for money, like money can't grow on trees, money is the root of all evil, because of money my life sucks, because money is not easy to earn. Whatever beliefs you have been carrying, you are releasing, and you are saying sorry to the money because of all those negativities that you are carrying so far from childhood, whether you are programmed by yourself, by your society, by your family, by religious teaching, whatever way you are saying sorry for that, and then you are saying please forgive me. So you are seeking forgiveness, you are asking for forgiveness from this energy, money energy, to release all those negativities. Now you are saying thank you, for money is always flowing to you for whatever quantity, and now it is going to flow in more and more. You are saying thank you for money being with you always, and then you are saying I love you, because now you are ready to receive more, now you are ready to receive more riches, now you are ready to become a money magnet. So you take this currency note in your hand, and you take some time, relax yourself, and you repeat this prayer again and again and again, that I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And I want all of you, to those people whose focus is mainly money, wealth and riches, you should be doing this practice on a daily basis for 5 to 10 minutes. If you really if money is your number one priority, you should be doing it for 10 minutes, so that it will go deep inside your mind, and you could able to release all negativities relevant to money. And you will see, when you change your belief system, you will be surprised how new opportunities will started coming your way, how you started attracting opportunity to earn more, how you started attracting opportunity to receive more money. And that's how you start seeing new ways, new pathways. So when we do these affirmations or this kind of practices, this kind of tools and techniques, we basically remove all those blockages, so that we find bigger opportunities, bigger things started happening in our life, and money started coming. So anyone who says that, oh, by just doing this everything will change, that person doesn't understand anything about mindset, that person doesn't understand anything about belief system. So don't fall into the trap of that kind of people. You have to understand that you have to do two things together. You keep taking your action, but at the same time you keep strengthening your belief system, keep removing your negativities, keep removing your fears and doubts, so that things started working joyfully and massively for you. So this process will help you remove all those negative beliefs about money, and once you remove them, boom, you become a money magnet, because you deserve all the abundance in the universe. So my friend, if this video has inspired you, this video is an eye-opener for you, do let me know in the comment section, and do share this video with someone who really need to see this video to become rich and wealthy and successful in their life. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that you won't miss any videos like this. And if you want to learn more tools and techniques to attract more wealth and riches in your life, then I have an amazing program. It's a 21 days program called Raise Your Money Vibration. You can check the link in the description section, and you can join the Raise Your Money Vibration program. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.